Hi, this is me, nutritionist Dhwanisha. We are going to be reviewing some popular weight loss cereals today. So let's get started with Kellogg's Special K. This cereal is highly popular for women who want to lose weight quick, and it's said to be a replacement for your lunch and dinner. So they say that you need to eat 40 grams of the cereal with 200 ml milk, and for lunch and dinner, which is a replacement for your actual meals, to lose weight up to 2 kilos a month. So let's see what the ingredients are. The ingredients say that it has rice, it has whole wheat, it has sugar, it has a bit of wheat bran, it has liquid glucose, it has cereal extract, it has antioxidants and added vitamins and minerals. So what I make from this is the cereal in 40 grams, it actually has 7.5 grams of sucrose. That means it is 1.5 teaspoon of sugar in weight. So you're not really eating something healthy, or in fact putting a bit of sugar in your body. What it also says as the milk with 30 grams of Kellogg's K, 200 ml milk, gives 258 kilocalories. That is honestly equal to 1 cup dal, 2 fulkas and 1 cup of green vegetables. So I would rather eat a meal, a wholesome meal, which will satisfy me, which will give me all the micronutrients, instead of eating something processed. I also think that the vitamin minerals that are added to the Kellogg's K are synthetic in nature, and the body absorbs natural nutrition better than the synthetic ones. So if you are too lazy to cook your meal and if you want a shortcut, well, yes, but this is not a miracle product that's going to replace your meals and going to give you weight loss. And remember, if you don't eat healthy the rest of the day, this product is again of no use. Coming to wheat bran flakes, so I know a lot of households which have cornflakes or wheat flakes as their breakfast. It's a staple breakfast for them because they don't have time in the morning and it's rush and they want to eat something sweet for breakfast. The wheat bran flakes have whole wheat and wheat bran as the major ingredients. Again, it does have sugar, so the sugar content is again around a teaspoonful, a teaspoon and a half, which is 7.4 grams, equal to what was in the Kellogg's K. It also has added antioxidants, extracts, vitamin, minerals, again a lot of synthetic stuff added to it. Yes, the fiber content is good. So they've not really mentioned the fiber content on the pack, and honestly with all grain flakes it should be, but from what I calculate, I get equal amount of fiber from 1 cup of green leafy vegetables. So if you were to opt for a healthy quick breakfast, you can just opt for a simple upma, you can opt for an idli, and you can just couple it with some sauteed mushrooms or grilled tomatoes to compensate for the fiber. You can even add a cup of sprouts to your breakfast, and that will give you all the fiber, protein and vitamins that your body needs. Instead of eating the all bran flakes with milk, because milk does give bloating in the morning, if you must, you need to eat this with yogurt, and you can add some fruit, fresh fruit to it to make it a little better on the digestion and wholesome breakfast. I would rate this product as an emergency go-to product only versus a product that needs to go in every day as your breakfast. The third on the list is this muesli by Yoga Bar. Yoga Bar has been a reliable brand in terms of using more natural ingredients than synthetic ingredients, and they say that this super muesli has 0% added sugar. And when I read the ingredients, yes, there is no real added sugar. The nutrition facts also confirm this. What they've added is they've added a lot of seeds, they've added plant-based dietary fiber, they've added almonds, they've added milk powder, They've added whole grains like your brown rice flakes, jowar flakes, rolled oats. So yes, it has all the good things going around in as the product. It is missing on one thing, which is some protein content. So it needs a little more protein to make it a complete meal. But to be fair, if you eat it with milk or yogurt, that can compensate for the protein content. The fiber, they say, is around 6 grams in a 40 gram serving, and 7 grams protein in 40 gram serving, which is really good. And to make it a high protein breakfast or a high protein meal, just add some skimmed milk or skimmed yogurt along with this. The cons here is, again, we are replacing a meal with something sweet. Indians are born to eat savory meals and not sweet meals. So if you replace your breakfast or lunch with a sweet meal, you really don't have that satisfaction. But on the plus side, you can use this as a snack, because that is when maximum of us get sweet cravings. So you can use it as a snack in the evening or even for midnight cravings, because it really has 0% added sugar. To rate all of these three products, starting with Kellogg's K, I would give it a 6 on 10, because honestly it is not as healthy as it's made out to be. Talking about all brand flakes, well, yes, it does have the brand in it, and I would give it a 7 on 10, because it is not promising to be a weight loss product, it is just promising to be high fiber product. And talking about the Yoga Bar Muesli, yes, it rates 9 on 10, because it does promise everything that's written on the packet. It's just that the 1% missing is, I am not in favor of a lot of packaged cereals to be used on a daily basis. So here we are, a review of the popular weight loss cereals available in the market today. I hope you like this review, and please let us know if you want us to review any more products in the comments below. Stay safe, stay healthy.